So today we are unboxing the M1 MacBook Air. This should be a fun video. Let's get started. Okay, so as you probably remember if you've been here for a while, but I unboxed the M1 Mac Mini a couple months ago back in November, and I was planning on buying another laptop because I wanted another laptop. So planning on buying one anyway. I had a MacBook Pro in my cart, and I returned it when the M1 Max came out. So today we're going to be unboxing a portable laptop. Well, that's what a laptop is, but okay, let's get started. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this. Oh, before we open it, let's go over the specs. The specs will go over here. It's what was it? 8-core GPU, 8-core CPU, 7-core GPU, 256 gigs of storage, M1 chip. So it's the standard M1 MacBook Air model that everyone's been talking about. So as you can see here, we've got our MacBook Air. This is a huge box. Wow. Are you seeing this? I don't know if you're seeing this. Hello? Okay, so got our Mac here. It's pretty dirty actually. We'll be fine. Okay, so you don't have to do the little knife thing and get it in between the two seams anymore. You can use a little pull tab. Let's do this. Wasn't really a super loud peel. Alright, here's your MacBook Air. I'm super excited. I haven't had a laptop since the 2015 11-inch MacBook Air, which is super crazy. Oh, one thing I do want to point out before I actually grab the computer and stuff. Back in the M1 Mac Mini unboxing, the box was super thick. And same for here, the box is a lot thicker. I don't know why it would be thicker, but it is. Here is our wonderful MacBook Air. It smells really nice. It just hit me. I'm an owner of a laptop. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's look over our little, not really little, I guess, but let's look over our accessories in the box. We've got this USB-C cord. This will plug into the power adapter, or I think you can also use it to I don't know, there's other uses. It smells really weird. It's a thick USB-C cord, probably about 2 C's thick. Quick start guide. I did hear that we have space gray Apple stickers, so that's cool. Oh yeah, space gray. And then we got our 31-watt power supply. Wow, the texture on the plastic, it's really nice. Yeah, we've got this cool power adapter that's got USB-C on the edge. I remember also when I had my 11-inch MacBook Air, the power adapter was so annoying. But yeah, so excited. Let's switch over camera setup here a little bit. Okay, I don't know if we were rolling on the B camera before, but we are now. Okay, so here's our MacBook Air. It's really nice, pretty chilly. Pretty nice. I do believe this thing also has the instant wake that was talked about too much in the keynote. But yeah, so as you can see, oh my word, we've got our Apple logo here. It's really nice. It's pretty chilly. Definitely bigger than my 11-inch. It's not super noticeable, but it's a little noticeable. One thing I do notice right off is the screen looks really good. Keyboard, pretty nice. Thinks I'm in the Netherlands, so we're gonna change this to English and resume. So yeah, this is the M1 MacBook Air. Should be a pretty nice computer. The keys aren't as clicky as the scissor switches were. Apparently these are the scissor switches, but it's not, I don't know, it doesn't feel the same. I like it better. But I also like the super clickiness, but it is nice having something like a keyboard that is quieter. I find that nicer, especially if you're in a public area and you're typing away and you don't want people to hear all your typing things. This is the old style keyboard. I believe it's similar. That's kind of how it sounds. If we move over here, the new one, it feels different. Still don't know how it feels. I like it. It's quieter, and I feel like there's more key travel. Let's test out the instant wake. Oh my word, it's already awake. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Here we are. Wow, it looks super clear. That's crazy. Yeah, everything is like super quick. Okay, this isn't the greatest OBS thing I've ever made, but you have a good sense of what the microphone sounds like. I'm just normally talking from this distance away that you can see through the video, but it's pretty nice, honestly. If I get up and close to it, it's about the same loudness, but yeah, this is the test of the microphone and the camera. Since I forgot to record an outro, I'm going to leave you here with this B-roll that is super grainy because I recorded it at 11 o'clock and it's very dark outside. But thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. Definitely having a review coming for this Mac as well. This is being edited about a month later, so we have some good thoughts and reviews about it. So, stay tuned. Thank you. Have a good day.